Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a MetaTrader 5 demo account. If you're using MetaTrader 5 and you're trying to reset your demo balance or add more funds to an existing demo account, it's important to know that MetaTrader 5 generally does not offer a direct reset option for demo accounts. Instead, the easiest workaround is to create a brand new demo account, which gives you a fresh balance and lets you continue practicing without any issues. This is especially useful for traders who want to restart their practice environment without losing time adjusting settings or waiting for broker support. To get started, open your browser and go to the MetaTrader 5 website. Once you're there, look for the web terminal and open it. This is the browser-based version of MetaTrader 5, and it's a convenient place to manage your demo accounts. Using the web terminal is helpful because you can access your trading environment from any device without needing to install software. In many cases, the web terminal will automatically log you into your current demo account. If that happens, don't worry. Just go to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon. This will open the main navigation panel, where you can access your account settings and account management options. This menu is where most account-related actions are handled, including switching, creating, or organizing trading accounts. From that menu, select Trading Accounts and then click Open Demo Account. This is the main entry point for creating new practice accounts inside MetaTrader 5. It ensures you're starting a fresh environment, rather than modifying your existing setup. At this point, you may see a list of your existing demo accounts. If you want, you can remove old demo accounts that you no longer need. This can help keep things organized, especially if you've created several accounts over time. Keeping your workspace clean also makes it easier to avoid confusion when switching between multiple practice accounts. After that, go to the Login and Register tab. In that section, click Open Demo Account again. This is the option you'll use to create a completely new demo account, rather than trying to modify the old one. This step essentially tells MetaTrader 5 to generate a fresh trading profile linked to your broker environment. Next, enter the required account details and complete the registration process. Once that's done, your new demo account will be created, and you'll be ready to use it right away. Most setups will instantly provide you with a virtual balance, so you can immediately start testing strategies, placing trades, and exploring market conditions. One useful thing to keep in mind is that you can reuse the same general credentials or account information style from your previous demo accounts, if the platform allows it. But even if you do, MetaTrader 5 will still generate a new demo account for you. So, while it may feel similar to your old setup, it will still function as a separate account with a fresh demo balance. This is helpful if you want to quickly reset your practice environment without changing your workflow. This method is essentially the best alternative to resetting a demo account, since the platform is designed around creating new demo profiles instead of restoring old ones. It actually encourages traders to start fresh, so they can properly test strategies under new conditions. And that's it. That's how to reset a MetaTrader 5 demo account by creating a new one. From here, you can continue practicing trading strategies, testing indicators, and improving your skills in a risk-free environment before moving to a live account.